Yo, welcome. Welcome to London.
Don't do that.
So guys, Vicky here. Oh my god, wait.
It's a video.
Yeah, it's a video.
You make me speak again.
So I came to pick Vicky and she's here around. She's here in London and I'm gonna take her around. I am also new in London. So we're gonna use the city mapper app and then we'll
I've got it.
I know, I'm excited.
You too?
Cheers.
Cheers.
So we are heading to Covent Garden because Vicky wanted to go to the
Kylie Jenner something is there.
something
so
something.
I want to go there.
So Kylie Jenners, I think Kylie Jenners beauty store. You call
Maybe
it?
it's something opening of a beauty store maybe.
Hey guys. So we are looking for Kylie Jenner's
They're not here. Maybe
cosmetic
she went back to
store.
America.
Yeah, we're pretty much lost.
Oh, so
저 저항한서 랑아떼인데 여기.
the oh my god.
꼬들. 아이? 나 말을. So, what did she get?
Covent Garden.
Yeah.
그러니 정어 몽골이 있어.
And that's Vicky. And that's Stoker. That's me.
깔리어지 리서 그래.
Cosmetic. 갑도. 아, 립스틱. Finally! Oh my god, you need to stand in a queue. Yeah, we have to. Is this a line? It says that you need a ticket. Hello, ticket go there.
Is the person who has ticket can go. No, you have to wait.
टिकट देना ही है तुमको बोल रहे हैं टिकट लेना लाइन जो बोल रहे हैं खास और टिकट ऑनलाइन जो रहेगा आमस so guys ती Kylie Jenner गजी दिलशा खरे आणि तमन जो लाइन टिकट रा जो है तो थोड़ा चेदा येला गेम चेरिशरा आणि थोड़ा आणि नंबर रहे दोस्त so are you excited? Are you gonna win?
If it was not hard, it would have been better. But I'm still excited.
Okay, great. Alright, great. This is KK. K for Kylie. Alright guys, we're here. That's my name for excited. 전화에 진짜이다. 디디디디겠다. 아니 레면스. 이게 언더다. Miss. Oh my god. 사타망고도 차우 있어. 야, say it again. Oh, loved it. Amazing. Ditoga, Joa Saludo, 30 Kazure. 36 degree. 36 degree, can you imagine?
So hot.
I know. I'm tired. Yeah.
36 degree.
Wait, one more. What did you say?
The line is so long, I feel like I'm going to visit Rinpoche.
Rinpoche
Maybe I'm going there, I even brought this. I can hang it with Kylie Jenners.
And
365 ways to live a
this Buddhist life. She's already a Buddhist and she wanna upgrade her knowledge.
Yeah. Let me live a proper life. I love their vlog.
Finally, we are under the shade.
Cheers.
Umbrella. Oh my god. It is very hot. Today's vlog is going to be Kylie's vlog. Kylie Cosmetic. That's Kylie. My goodness. But it's nice to have free stuff. Maybe, yeah, but we'll see. Say hi to that cameraman.
I don't want to.
Why not? Yeah. We are super tired. Very tired. Just waiting in the queue. But hope it's worth the wait. Oh, we are very close, guys. Like just here.
Few steps away.
Few steps away.
Vicky, come on to the shade.
Yeah.
हम भी इंडिया से
Please जाने देना.
जाने दो ना अंदर.
Please क्या रिश्या.
सस्यागाल.
कुछ तंगसियों वाला.
सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है. हम नहीं one by one.
Namaste, love massage. Oh, when are we going? Oh God, I'm tired. We are next. Yeah? Oh, yay! Yes, finally, guys. Thank you. We are here. Oh, finally. So, should we start from?
Let's go here.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
X or old one in 20 seconds.
Guys, so this is glam bubble. I'm gonna do it. Try this little magnet.
It's got a magnet on the end, so if they've all got magnets in. And basically you have to have an S or a gold one to be able to win a prize.
Oh, S or a gold.
S or a gold one.
Okay. Right. Let's try. Where is the magnet?
They're quite hard.
This is so embarrassing. Wait. Oh, wait. It doesn't even lift.
One.
Wow. No.
The balls are quite heavy on the balls, so you kind of have to move them to be able to get a goal.
Oh, wow.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, yes. You can do it. Woo!
It's not gone, it's not
Oh,
You've got 9 seconds, keep going.
Wait, yeah, that one's us.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, you can do it. Biggie, yes. 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 Woo! Harder. Yeah. Whoa. Did it. Oh, Karas, what did you get? I got
A moisturizer, just
one, you just get moisturizer.
You get a moisturizer. Go, you're gonna get a free moisturizer. Yeah.
Yay!
That was nice at the last minute. And the cleansing gel.
Let's go.
Thank you.
I got you.
Şöyle. Yeah.
I need help. I'm too long in the sun.
I know.
Yes. Woo. Yes. 쥐대. 저기 가실래? 상어칠래. Are you gonna ask them to do what, eyelashes, eyebrows, eyeshadow, or just lips, eyes, or everything? Everything, yeah. 저거 셋 릴레이션. Is it alright if I take a video?
It's okay.
Yeah? Thank you. Oh my god! It's like, why did I even ask for the eyeshadow? I don't understand.
I think I'm sparkling big.
Yeah, me too. Guys, we are done. And I'm like,
So move the joystick and then press the red button when you want it to go grab something.
nice. Digit up so. Can I go next? Yeah. Thank you.
They have a...
Oh, yeah, that's okay. She's gonna play. So what do you do? Just hit that? Yeah. Okay.
As hard as you can.
Yes, you can. Wow. Yeah, strong. Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy.
I know.
Oh my god. So,
Yay!
I think that's
Girls, you're making this too easy. Did you get your free ice cream yet?
No, yeah.
Here we go. The game's over. Yeah. Thank you. What did you do? Yeah. Do you want to take a picture here? 저거 아이스크림 세이도. 저거.
She told me when she came to Oxford that she wants to have afternoon tea and we're having it. It's gonna be good.
You're gonna have afternoon tea after for the first time. Yeah.
And
And
I removed my eyeshadow. I'm so glad I removed it. I was looking like
the Kylie Jenner. So guys, Kylie Jenner, whatever that free makeup.
it was really free. I mean, like it looked like free.
Yeah, they tried their maximum to make us look pretty, but
never
I think they still need to. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, yeah, they did their best. So we're here at Indian, what is it?
Something bazaar, cinnamon bazaar.
So guys, we're here at Indian restaurant. One of the Indian restaurant in Soho. Is it Soho? Yeah. And we're having afternoon tea because we are not really hungry, but I think afternoon tea will do.
Yeah.
and it will cost us 27 per person, but we're gonna get a wholesome amount of sweets. Where there are sweets, there are different dishes, and we have chai.
Oh, I didn't know it was 27 per person. It should be good now.
Yes, absolutely.
It better be good.
Okay, this is Assam tea. Oh, how cute is this? Like a little pot.
Let
Yeah.
me have the privilege.
Okay, yeah, I don't mind. Guys, we have pani puri here. Show. You show. What's that?
Watermelon chaat.
And another one, chaat. This is better than the pani puri one. Yeah.
Watermelon na masala chopstick.
Yeah. Speak Tibetan.
Oleh. Tashi dile.
Naming lang.
Oh, naming la dikit dushin. Naming la dikit din.
Yes.
Na Ladakh में हुए. And living in London la Tenzin Butri. Today Dokpo nga London la re Tenzin Butri ngai dokpo re. What did I say?
Good try. You're getting there.
Khalir, I understand. Khalir, nga lago she. Yopa nga lago ma she.
Oh my god. There is spring roll as well. Your sandwich and my spring roll. We should eat slowly. Take our time. Eat slowly.
Or should we pack it?
Wow. This is amazing, guys. I loved it. Wow. We are going to London Eye, and next one to London Eye is Jambo. I bridge go when you cross through. And in a city map, they enjoy there. Bus to the bus, ni drona taring a dear. So, I think I do combine drona, do some. So, we're gonna walk, and let's see. Oh, we are near London Eye, and this is amazing.
And London Eye is just
I love the breeze. Vicky is excited.
Oh, Spinnaker Tower is really good. You want to go? I swear to God, it's good.
What?
Spinnaker Tower. Closes soon, 6 p.m.
Guys, we reached near the London Eye, and we're just taking rest because it's very sunny, hot.
Very hot, but lots of people. Oh my God, maybe because it's Friday, so that's why.
It's lots and lots.
Like whole population is here, right?
Say no more. I say no more. Yes, I say no more.
Tangan jo Oxford Street journey.
I might come out early.
Finally, we are here in Oxford Circus. Oxford Circus, Oxford Street.